This short video will introduce you to the importance of data governance and help you consider if this is something that your organization needs to implement. Let us start with why you may want to consider data governance. First of all, your company will have a lot of data that is being generated both externally and internally within the organization. This data will be used for decision making and accounting purposes. So formally managing the data through your organization ensures that you can trust the data that you are looking at to make such decisions. Also, the lack of data governance will guarantee one thing, and that is that the data may be poor, and poor data equals poor decisions. The lack of data governance is also a security concern that results in inaccurate, unstructured information that can clog databases and cause regulatory issues. And with the regulatory compliance and data privacy, people now understand the importance of their personal data. Governments are taking the way in which companies store, protect, and use the customer's data extremely seriously. And with ungoverned data may prove impossible to guarantee that all the data that you hold on an individual is deleted when requested or no longer required to be stored, as this opens your company to a greater risk. In addition, data governance will improve efficiencies and save you money as there are no duplicate records, errors are minimized, and fixing issues are reduced. Data governance forces you to clearly define your core data and the rules that need to govern such data. It provides a golden opportunity to enforce greater operational efficiencies across the entire business. So where does data governance fit? As a means of helping you understand where data governance fits within your organization, we will use a very simple analogy. So I would like you to picture a tap. And I want you to imagine that the water coming out of the tap may be poisoned. In this scenario, we have the water itself and the plumbing that allows the water to flow. If you can imagine that the IT department is like the plumber that looks after the pipes, pumps, and storage tanks of your plumbing system, whereas data governance is like the water board who look after the quality of the water flowing through the pipes. So if you were afraid that the water flowing through your pipes was somehow poisoned, what type of plumber would you actually call out? Well, the answer, of course, is none, as the plumber only specialises in looking after pipes, etc., and not the water that flows through them. Instead, you would call a water specialist who would test the quality and reliability of the water to make sure that it was not contaminated. Comparing this analogy to your business, the plumber is your IT department and the water specialist is your data governance. A common error of many small and medium business is the over-reliance on IT departments for data security, when the issue of data governance extends way beyond the protection of data alone. Going back to your business, we know that data is extremely valuable, and with the new regulatory requirements, this data now needs to be proactively managed by your business. This can be achieved by implementing a reliable and easy-to-use data governance framework, which can be administered by various people, teams, and departments within your business. And this holds everybody who touches Dateable accountable for the quality, integrity, and security of the data. So when you are ready to get serious about data governance, a few things must be in place, and that is obtaining buy-in from multiple areas of your business, as the key to effective governance is effective collaboration. Implementing goals that are clearly defined with processes and procedures that make data governance run smoothly 24 hours a day. And a data governance tool that is easy to use across the entire business and flexible enough to evolve and target your changing business needs. When these three factors are present and functioning together, you have a sound data governance framework in place. So if this video is helpful and you wish to explore data governance in more detail, please do give us a call. We would be delighted to help you out. Thank you for your time.